Whatever you are feeling right now, whether it would be anger, sad, happiness, just feel it. I mean, accept your feelings, accept your emotions. This was not telling by me. This was actually told by a Zen Buddhist known as Shoma Morita. Yes. Hi all, welcome back to my channel. I am Sivatmika Chavali. If you are very new to this channel, I usually make content related to education, book summary and my life experiences. So if you find my content helpful means please make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. This gives me motivation to do more videos consistently. Coming to this video, today I am going to share you the chapter 3 of Ikigai, and let's see and let's explore what's there in this chapter 3 of Ikigai. And I have already covered chapter 1 and chapter 2 previously in this video. So if you didn't watch those videos yet means please make sure to watch and watch this video. Let's go. Before, Shoma Morita was a Zen Buddhist and he was also a psychotherapist. Normally, many Western forms of therapy, they focuses on controlling their emotions. Like the therapist teaches the patients to how to control their emotions. Whereas in Morita theory, he teaches his patients to accept their emotions instead of trying to control them. This is what the Morita theory says. Accept your emotions in whichever state of emotion you are. Like whether it would be happy, sad, or else angry. Any kind of emotion, you should accept it. If you are in suffering emotion, if you are suffering means, let you feel the suffer. That's what Morita theory says. And he also says that he explained the concept of letting go the negativity with the help of a short story, and let's explore this short story. Imagine you have a donkey. Yes, let's imagine like you have a donkey and you tied the donkey to a pole, okay, with a rope. So what donkey is doing means it wants to escape from that pole. It wants to live freely. So what it would do, definitely it tries to escape, and while in the process of escaping, it keeps walking around the pole. But instead of getting free, the rope gets tighter. It becomes more stuck. That means it's very hard for the donkey to escape from that pole because of the rope is so hard now. Now coming to the people's thought, the Morita theory says that if you are overthinking on any incident, this will make your mind to get entangled into it. This is what it says. Don't overthink. Just let it go. That's it. This is what it says. Let's discuss now basic principles of Morita therapy. First one, as I said before, accept your feelings. Accept your situations. Just accept it and let it go. This is what Morita therapy says. It says, if we try to get rid of one wave with another, we end up with an infinite sea. And also Morita links the emotions with weather. Can we predict weather tomorrow? I mean, there are weather forecasts, but we don't know what happens exactly. It might be rain, it might be sunny, or it might be storm, anything. It could be happen, right? That means we can't predict the weather. In the same way, we can't predict our emotions. Like someday we could be very happy, some days we could be very sad, sometimes we might be feel worry. We really can't predict our emotions also. In this way, Morita links emotions with the weather. He says that like how we are observing the weather conditions, we need to observe our emotions. Let's take one example. You dried your clothes, By seeing the sunny day, you will feel like, okay, now I can dry my clothes under the sunlight because it's too sunny. Like you are observing the weather. In the same way, you need to observe your emotions. This is what the accept your feelings says. Just accept it and observe. That's it. Don't react to your emotions. It says, do what you should be doing. We should focus on present moment. Some people will think about the past and some people worry about their future. How my future would be, or how I should not do this one, like that. Like you should not regret about your past because past is past. Like it's completed. The only thing that is have in your moment, in your hands is that is the present moment. Start thinking about your present moment. So what I understood by reading this chapter 3 of this Ikigai, we should live in the present moment. I don't have the ability to change the past moment or else ability to change the future moment. The only thing I can focus and I can change the situation is the present moment. I should live in my present moment itself. See, instead of scrolling reels in my present moment, I can do one YouTube video, or else I can do any productivity in the sense like anything. I can study anything in that moment. So all that I have in my hands is the present moment. So Morita therapy is saying that do what you should be doing right now. Just focus on what you are doing. Don't think about any other persons. That's it guys for today's video. This is all about the Ikigai chapter 3, and trust me, this is really a very good book. I recommend you to please go through this book. Okay, so that's it for today guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you really like this video, means please make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. So that's it, and let's meet you in the next video. Bye bye.